In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel file to WhatsApp using your PC, laptop, or computer. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can comfortably send spreadsheets without needing to transfer them to your phone first. All you'll need is your computer, a web browser like Chrome or Edge, your Excel file saved on your computer, and, of course, WhatsApp installed and active on your phone. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the WhatsApp web page. You can do this by typing web.whatsapp.com into the address bar and pressing enter. On the screen, you'll see a large QR code. This code is how your phone and your computer will link together, so keep that page open. Now, pick up your phone and open the WhatsApp app. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose the option that opens the linked devices or WhatsApp web section. On iPhone, go to Settings and look for the same linked devices option. Once you're there, tap on the button to link a new device. Your camera will open automatically. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer screen. After a moment, your WhatsApp chats will appear in the browser on your computer. With WhatsApp Web now active, you can send your Excel file just like any other document. On your computer, look at the left side of the WhatsApp web window and click on the chat of the person or group you want to send the file to. If you need a new chat, click on the new chat icon and select the contact from your list. Inside the chat window, look toward the bottom where you usually type messages. Next to the text box, you'll see a small paperclip icon. Click on that paperclip. A small menu will pop up with attachment options. Choose the document option because an Excel spreadsheet is treated as a document file. A File Explorer window will open from your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where your Excel file is saved. This might be in your Downloads, Documents, Desktop, or any other folder you normally use. Once you find your Excel file, click on it to select it, and then click Open. WhatsApp Web will now show a preview window with the file name. You can type an optional message to explain what the file is about, which can be helpful for the person receiving it. When you're ready, click the Send button. Your Excel file will upload and appear in the chat, and the recipient will be able to download and open it on their device. And that's all you need to send an Excel file to WhatsApp directly from your PC, laptop, or computer.